Hi students, today we are going to discuss a new topic in our HTML, that is how to create a form in our web page. That is, for example, we can create an application form. We can create some application forms like examination form, that is examination registration form, or some job application form, etc. can be created and used with our web page. So for that purpose, a special type of tag is used, that is a form tag, and within that form tag we have some associated tag like input tag, select tag, etc. So let's we have an example. You see here one form is created. This is a web page I have created already. So you see here application form, application for exam 2021. So here you see some entries are there. So here we know, you see here a title application form, yeah, then one heading is their application for exam 2021. Then we have some entries like name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, mobile number, then gender, religion, language known, then one save button and a cancel button. The thing is that once a student or once a candidate gave his name, his details to this form, after he will click on this save button, at that time this data will go to the database. So before that, in this application we have to create this type of a form. So in this class we are discussing how to create this type of form. We are taking this example. Okay, so here you see one can give his name. Okay, then date of birth also. Next is date of birth. Okay, then Aadhaar number, then mobile number he can give, then male or female he can create, he can select, then religion. Okay, then language known, something are asking here, you can select some language. Okay, then after that he will click on this save button, but we didn't do the program for saving this document in this class, or our syllabus is based on only how to create this type of form, not the server side program. So after you can click on this cancel or save button. When clicking the save button, this type of data, this information will go to their database. That is the original procedure. Okay, so you see how to create this type of form. This is a web page. So the program behind this one we can see here. This is the program. I will show you. So yeah, this much programs are there here. So the thing is that first of all you see HTML opening. Under this one you can see the title. Yeah, title. application form. Okay, so this can be seen here, you know that the title. Yeah, next is body bg color yellow. You can see body bg color yellow, that's why this background color is yellow, that you know. Next is, you see, H1 application for exam 2021. Okay, it may be for exam as an example, otherwise for a application for a job, like things you can give, no problem. So application for exam, here you see, this is H1 level heading, that you can see here, application for exam as a first level heading. That things we know. But what are the new things? You see here, we started with a form opening, and at last, before this body, we have form close. So in this body, after this heading, we have some entries like a form. So this type of informations are giving within the form opening, and form close. So a form is a container tag. Within that one, we are giving this type of entries, these all entries. So I will show you. First of all, you see name, that is, here you can see name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, mobile number, this much information, like the same, that is a text entry. So you see here, what is the program? Here after this form, we are giving name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, mobile number. So after the religion, gender, etc. can be used. So you see here this type of information. So name, you see, first of all, what is name? Name is a simple word we have given here, name. After that, we are giving what? An input tag. What is the use of this input tag? We can specify which type of input we are going to take. So here see, what type of input? Type is equal to text. That means a short answer type. That's a single word or a sentence can be taken as an entry. You see, like this. This is input name equal to text. Sorry, type equal to text. Input type text means this type of entry. Okay, this type of entry. These things can be seen in some web pages, that you know. So this is a type text input. So you see, here we are using an input tag where type equal to text. Text means this type of entry. Then name equal to name. That means we are calling this text book. The ID, that is the name of this text box is name. Okay, name is, that is to identify that text entry, so its name is name. Okay, then br means to new line, so it is going to the next line. So the second and third line, it is coming like this, date of birth. Okay, how can be seen here? You see, date of birth, DOB. Then input type equal to text, so it is coming like this, text. Okay, then name equal to DOB, that is, we are identifying that text box, its name is DOB. Okay, br, again next line it is coming. Okay, I'm just reloading this page, you see. Okay, every entries went a fresh information. You see date of birth. Okay, that's a text entry, its name is DOB, small letter, that can be seen here. Then Aadhaar number is also a text type. We are taking the information from the user, input from the user. So text name is equal to Aadhaar, br, then mobile number, input type is equal to text name mobile. Okay, that text box is identified by using mobile. Okay, then br. Okay, so that you can see name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, mobile number as a text type of input, but it is identifying by some name. So this is a small letter name, small letter DOB, small letter Aadhaar, then this is small letter mobile. That is this one. Okay, to identify which text box is using. So input type equal to text can be used for giving this type of entries within the form. Okay, so you see, next is gender. Next is gender, male or female. When clicking this one, any one can be selected. So how to do that one? Before that, I will show you how to create a new entry. That is, you see, after mobile number, if you want an email to be taken from the user, so that time you can add, after this mobile, you can add a new entry. So I will show you how to do that one. You see, email, we can give email ID. Then you see, like this, you can write input type equal to also text. That is, we are taking the details from the user through the text box. So text, then name. To identify that text box, we can give a name for the further programming, server side program. If we need that time, we need this name. So this is email text box that we are giving to identify that one. Then we are typing br, that is, after that a 2-line separation will be required. Okay, br, new line. Then you see, after saving this document, we can reload that page. You see, now mobile number itself before this gender. Then you see, email ID also have seen here. Then next is, you see, gender, male, name. How to do? You see, gender br, that is, after this gender, one new line come. You see, after that, and it is displaying, that is male and female. That I will show you. Input type is not text, but as type, the type is radio means radio button type. That is, this type of buttons are called radio button. So input type is equal to radio, that means radio button. Then name is equal to gender, value is equal to male, that is the first thing, male, and whatever things should be seen the male. So this male is the value to identify that one. Then you see, male identification name is name, gender, value, its value will be male. Then whatever thing can be seen on the web page means that is male, that can be seen here. You see, male. Then female is there, I will show you. So input type is equal to radio, name equal to gender, the same gender, name is equal to gender, name is equal to gender, both are the same, but its value may be different. First value is male, second value is female, and the text also, first thing is male, second thing is female. br, next line. Okay, then next is religion. You see here, religion is giving. After the religion, one drop down box is there, combo box. It's also called combo box, otherwise drop down list. You see, this drop down list, when clicking this drop down list, one can select his religion. Okay, Islam, Christian, many things are there, other. Okay, if you want to add more religion to this one, that is also possible. So here I have given 4 items: Islam, Christian, Hindu, and other. Okay, so one can select is on religion. So how to do that one? A religion, you see, religion. After that, you see, religion. Simply we are giving religion. After that, you can see one tag is there, not input. Here we discussed what input, but here you see select. Select means that is used for a drop down list. To create a drop down list, to create a combo box. Okay, drop down list is also called a combo box. What is that? This type of thing, that is drop down list. Okay, so you see, select name is equal to category. That is, that combo box name is we are giving to identify the name, that is category. Then select category. After that, br, next option 1, option 2, that will come. You see, first option is Islam. Okay, Islam. Then second option Christian, Hindu, other. Okay, I think here no need of this BR. I will just show you. Okay, no need of that one. Okay, so you see, select name is equal to category, then option Islam, option Christian, option Hindu, option other. That means 4 items we are given here. Okay, we have given here. Then you see Islam, Christian, Hindu, that can be seen as a drop down list. This is a drop down list thing. In this one, 4 items are specified by using the tag option. Okay, first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Okay, so we can see the thing is like this. Okay, religion, after the religion, you see, after this religion, one box will come, that is a select tag, that is for combo box, giving a drop down list. Okay, so you see 4 items. Okay, its name, it is identified by the category. So you see Islam, when clicking this one, this type of information can be seen and one can select. Okay, then next is language known. You will see language known. You see language known. Okay, in this one you can see input type equal to text box. Sorry, check box. We have given here type is equal to radio, here type is equal to text. As like language known is giving like this. You see multiple selection. English, I have known 2 language like English, Malayalam. I can select that one. If you know Arabic, then we can select that one. All things you know, then all can be selected or deselected. Okay. Okay, then the thing is that for that purpose we can give an input type equal to checkbox we can give. Then the system will identify that it is needed an entry that is become a checkbox. Then its name is language. So these 4 languages we are given here: English, Hindi, Malayalam, Arabic. So its name is the same, that is language. All names are the same, but the value is different: English, Hindi, Malayalam, Arabic. So these are the value, but whatever things can be seen there, that is also English, Hindi, Malayalam, Arabic. So these words can be seen as a messages here. You see this information. So you see in this program we have 4 items. If we need to add more things, that time we can also have been given. You see after this we can enter a new input. Okay, how? Just give input. Yeah, the same input type is equal to if we want to add another language. Okay, checkbox, again checkbox we can give checkbox. Then name equal to the same language, we can give language. Yeah, language. Then value is different. Value is equal to that we can give another language, or other we can give other otherwise we can give another language, like I am giving here French. Okay, after that entry can be seen here. So French. Okay, then next line, for that purpose we can give BR. Okay, BR. Then you see after that one I am just saving this document, then I will show you here. Once 4 items were there, you see now French also coming. Okay, so there 2 BR is not required, only 1 BR is required. I will show you. Yeah, 1 BR is required for before because we added a new item. You see, after saving this document and reloading, yeah, now is coming like that. You see, as like in this Islam, that language, that religion, if you want to add more option, that time we can add. Because here you see Islam, Christian, Hindu and other is there. I want to add Jain or Buddha, like. So you see how to add in this program, you can add as option. You see this is the drop down list. Here if you want to add a new option, I am just taking the copy paste of this one, you see. Okay, pasting the same. Okay, instead of this other, okay, the last item is other, so the fourth item I am giving here Jane. Okay, then other. Saving this document, I will show you. You can see after loading this one, yeah, Islam, Christian, Hindu, then fourth one is Jain, then fifth one is other. Understand? I think all of you understand that one. Then you see gender, male, female. Then if you want to add a third, that is transgender. If you want to add in this one, that purpose you can give. You see here gender. Then two inputs are the male and female. If you want to add another thing, that time we can add. I am just taking this copy. Okay, I'm just taking the copy. I will show you. Input type equal to radio, name equal to gender. Yeah, that is same, but value is, I'm just giving trans. Okay, trans I'm giving. So here transgender I'm writing. Transgender. Okay, transgender. I'm just typing. But here BR is there. Here there is no need of double new line. So I'm just removing that one. Then save this document. I will show you the third thing. Here only two. Then after loading, you can see transgender also. Okay. Then anyone we can select from this one. Okay. So that's all about this entries. But the last one you see save button and cancel button. That how to do. I will show you. In this program, at last you can see. At last means language known. Here we have given 4 languages. Sorry, 5 languages we have given here. After that you see input type equal to, instead of checkbox or text box, instead of text, instead of checkbox or radio, we can give simply button. That means as like a save button or cancel button, like that. You see input type equal to button, name equal to save, value is equal to save. Name equal to save, then value also capital letter save. That means here you see capital letter save here, but its name is small letter save I have given. Then cancel also you can see input type equal to button. That means this type of thing can be seen on the web page as a button. Then name equal to cancel, small letter cancel, that is to identify that button. Then value is equal to cancel, that means to display this value on that one. Now you see save, cancel. Okay, then further programming is the server side program, that is to save this entered details. When once a user enters some details to this application form, after that when clicking on this save button, that should go to the database in order to save that one for further use. But that programming is not discussing in this standard, because in our syllabus it is saying only this much things. So how to do the server side program, that you can search and do that same. Okay, I will help you if you want. So that's all about today's topic. So as a summarizing this topic, you see today we have discussed how to give some forms, some entries into our web page. So form tag can be used. You see here, we know form tag is used. Okay, in between the form opening and form close, we have something that is input, some select, okay, like things. So input may be this type of entries, text entries, or this type of radio means radio button entries, or select, that means a drop down list or combo box. Okay, it's also called combo box. Then checkbox means if we want a multiple selection like this, we can give the checkbox as an input type. Then input type is button, means we can, if we want to give this type of save or cancel, that time we can give a button as their type. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you very much.